Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, March the 14th. No, it's last week. Yeah, last week, March the 7th, 2022. Two puzzles are left: the two stars and the tectonic with one star. But first, we will do the two stars Sudoku. This will be number 4, 2, 5, 7. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for a two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and a 3. We have a 6 and a 3 in the last row. So no 6 and a 3 in these two boxes. The 6 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. We have a 6 there. So no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. The other two numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. Then, how about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and a 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this first column. So no 4 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So, 3. Okay. Alright. Let me see. Interesting. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5. It should be there. Then 3, 6. I'm thinking. How about the number? Yeah. Ooh. I'm thinking. 2, 4, 2, 8. No. 8. We have a pair. We have a 6 and a 7 in this column. The 6 and 7 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. So the 7 should be here, okay. Then 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 1. We have a 4 and a 1 in this column. So no 4 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 4. It goes there. two numbers left in this big square. Four numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7. And 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One number left in this column for the number. A 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright. Two missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and the 8. Let me mark those two boxes then. Cannot fill this yet. Alright. 4, 1, and 4, 1, and 3. 4, 1, and 3. Okay. Okay. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. You see there ain't no 8 there. Here ain't no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is the 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. Here and 8 in this row, so no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 8 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. This box should be a 2. And that box should be an 8. Alright. Yeah. 397. Okay. We have a 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. I cannot continue with the 1. Then we have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column. So no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 7 and 8. Alright. So the other two numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8. And 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Here, another 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Okay. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this row. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 9. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Okay, 1 box left in the first column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay, 2 in the first column, row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. On the last column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row. Wait, can I count? Yes, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, the number 2. Yes. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I've eliminated 8, so the 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. Can I count? Yes. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Okay. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box should be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 3. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow! Quicker than I expected. So is this a 2 stars? Well, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, yeah. And I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these Santa boxes. I'm collecting them for more than 5 weeks. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. We have here the 139. 139. 657. 657. 382. 382. Here we have the 3 as a pair. One pair. Yeah. All right. Great. Thank you again. And I will see you later. With the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.